Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add payment methods on your Prime Video. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your account. So just go up, you will click here on this picture here and up, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just go up here, you click here on this sign settings, then it's going to take you to next window here and you just go down here. Then you come here to manage account, you will click, then you come to next window here and you just click here on set payment method. Then you go up, you click here on manage wallet, then it's going to take you here and you click here on add a payment method, and it's going to take you in this window and you just add your information here and add your card, and it's going to add video on your Prime Video. So that's all you have to do. I wish you know I get it. Just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.